shout out to Ga Agri TV from Isabela. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long blondie hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to say, this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling,